How to enable Siri's announcement messages on AirPods. This is a hands-free feature on your iPhone. So if you want to enable Siri's announcement messages, you're simply going to go into your iOS device, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to tap and search for Siri, and you're going to search for Siri and search, or if you scroll down, you have Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri, which is now integrated together. If you do not have the 15 Pro or 16 models, you're just going to find the Siri and search option. Then after that, you're going to find the announce messages. So if you scroll down, you will have announce calls, and you can choose announce messages or announce calls. Then after that, you can choose to enable it to have Siri read incoming messages through your AirPods. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.